how to buy TRENCHAI, the TRENCHAI's AI token. So before we start, make sure this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it in CoinMarketCap to be able to copy the token address. Now, make sure this token address is under the Solana network. Now, the best way to buy this token is by using the Phantom wallet. It's easy to buy from there. So after that, click on swap. Now, make sure you have enough Solana on your in your Phantom wallet. Now, click here and now paste the token address to select the right one. Now, after you click on it, now enter how much you want to buy. So after that, this is how much you will receive. Now from here, select one of these providers, for example Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information and click on swap, and they will provide redirect you to the provider page as a Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. If you face any issue in buy process, just go back and change between these. So after that, go and buy this token. So this is how to buy the TRENCHAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.